In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting on Google Meet. This process can vary slightly depending on whether you're using a browser, the Google Meet app, or accessing it through Gmail, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each method step by step. Let's start with the browser method. Begin by navigating to meet.google.com using any web browser you prefer. Once you're there, you'll look for the option that says enter a code or link. This is typically found on the main screen as soon as you arrive at the website. Click on that and you'll be prompted to input your meeting code or nickname. It's crucial that you have this information ready as it serves as your ticket into the meeting. After entering the code, proceed by clicking Join Now, and just like that, you're in. Now let's talk about the mobile experience with the Google Meet app. First, ensure that the app is installed on your device. Open the app and you'll be welcomed by the main screen. Here you'll want to tap the search bar at the top where you can enter your meeting code or nickname. Again, having this code handy is essential. Once you type in the code, just hit join and you're ready to start participating in the meeting. For those who prefer the convenience of using Gmail, joining a meeting is also quite straightforward. Open your Gmail app or access it on your computer. You'll find the Meet section conveniently located there. Click on New Meeting, and from the options provided, select Join Now. This integration within Gmail makes transitioning from email tasks to meetings seamless. Before diving into a meeting, here's a crucial tip. Always make sure you're signed into your Google account. This ensures that you have access to all the features and avoids any interruptions or accessibility issues. Being logged in is a simple step that can save you from any complications later on. Each method has its conveniences, tailored to different user preferences and situations. If you're constantly switching between devices throughout the day, knowing how to join meetings via different platforms can be a real time saver. Whether you're at your desk with a full browser, on the go with your mobile device, or hopping directly from an email, you now have the know-how to join Google Meet meetings smoothly and efficiently. That's all you need to know to join a Google Meet meeting. Remember these steps and you'll be in your next virtual gathering in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorial videos like this. See you next time.